Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss answering one word. Okay, one word or one sentence, both are there in this. So here, I am going to begin with the first question. That is, what do we call to the temperature, air pressure, wind, moisture and precipitation? हम टेम्परेचर, एयर प्रेशर, विंड, मॉइस्चर एंड प्रेसिपिटेशन को ऑल टुगेदर क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल? वी कॉल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ वेदर. स्टूडेंट्स, ये सारे चीज़ जो है वो एलिमेंट है जिससे क्या बनता है? वेदर बनता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, what do we call to humidity in atmosphere? Atmosphere, if humidity is present, lot of water vapor is present, then what do we call? We call it as moisture. What do we call to water droplet or snow particles? Shower on the earth, जो बर्फ गिरती है ऊपर से, उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको कहते हैं precipitation. We call it as precipitation. Then, which air has great amount of vapor? Humid air. Okay, next, give the factor that influence climate. What does it mean? The factor which influence climate, that means which make changes in the climate. Okay, what are the factors? Latitudinal position, height above the sea level, nearness of the ocean, oceanic current, mountain range type of land and local wind. Our next question, which device is spherical? कौन सा डिवाइस गोल है? को पता है? Globe. Which device is flat? Map of India, map of world. Anyone you can write over here. What characteristic of two-dimensional device does you know? Two-dimensional device, students. What characteristic is there in that? It has length as well as breadth. Okay? See, student, what it is? Map of India. Okay, क्या है map of India, right? So it has width as well as the length. Okay, इस मैप में क्या है? ये चौड़ाई है, ये लंबाई है. Length and width. Okay, if you multiply these two, what you will get? You will be getting area. The product of length into breadth or product of length into width will give you the area. Clear, everybody? So this is map of India. Okay, which have only two dimensions, that is length and width. Whereas, what about the three dimension one now? You can see here, what characteristic of two dimensional devices did you know? Object have length and width, its product is area. लेंथ और विड्थ को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एरिया आ जाएगा. प्रोडक्ट इन द सेंस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेंथ इज 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड विड्थ इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. सो 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. 5 multiplied by 2 is how much? 10 centimeter square is the area. Okay. Now, what characteristic of three-dimensional device did you know? Three-dimensional device, object have length, width as well as height. And if you multiply these three, you will be getting volume. Next question, which is the largest operational globe in the world? Earth. What do we call to the atmospheric condition prevailing at a place? We call it as weather. Next, what do we call to horizontal movement of air? Horizontal movement is wind, right? What do air exert pressure? Why do air exert pressure? Because it has weight. अरे कैसे पॉसिबल है? Is it possible, students? Air has weight? Yes, air has weight. एयर को भी वजन होता है जिसके कारण प्रेशर निर्माण होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. गिव 3 temperature zone on the earth. Torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Torrid zone area comes under equatorial region. So here the temperature is very, very hot. Whereas temperate zone will be getting little bit cool temperature. Whereas here it is more cool because it comes in the frigid zone. That is the polar area where perpendicular rays of the sun does not reach. So it comes in the frigid zone. Yes. Next, what is the factor which influence distribution of temperature? Latitude. Which area has higher air temperature? Continental area. Which area has low air temperature? During daytime, yes? Coastal area. Then, where do we have equable climate? That means both is equal. Coastal area. Where do we have extreme climate? Continental area. What is food for fishes? Planktons. Students, what are planktons? Planktons are the water plants which grow in continental area, the water that is near the ocean floor. Give 2 cold currents, Canaries and Peruvian current. Give 2 warm currents, Equatorial and Brazil current. Then, substance used in thermometer. What do we use? Mercury and alcohol. Freezing point of mercury is minus 39 degrees Celsius and freezing point of alcohol is minus 130 degree Celsius. That's all with now students with geography revision. Okay, bye.